Yeah, start us off, dude.
But they were just
A lot of serious. I think after that, that's enough cookies.
Go Garrett.
Syrups are falling. That's enough. There's a lot of syrup.
Come on, KJ.
Great.
Not edible. Not Spoon, dig in.
All right, buddy. All right.
KJ! You don't have a knife on you, do you?
It is too far away.
AJ, two step. One more. Get back to the wings. Make it a good one, bud. Let's go. Red, go. Gotta go. Run, run. Gotta go. Good job, man. Hey, boys, way to hustle. Hey, boys.
Good hustle, bro.
Hey, guys, run hard. Run hard.
Hey, that a boy.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. You guys have a good day. Sorry. You too. You good? No.
Hold it. Hey, Brick, good hustle.
Nothing's gonna stop us.
Dramatic. Whoa. Go, score. Go, three. Go, Maddox, go. Let's go. Run, Maddox. Go.
Hey, good try.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. High energy. Here we go. Go, press. Here we go.
Knock it down, throw them out now, guys. Knock it down, throw them out.
Go, Rocket.
On swing, Rocket. Point of contact.
Ready, Rocket. Remember, Rocket was
Point of contact.
already,
buddy. Run! Come here! Good job, Preston!
Nothing extra, come on!
Good play. Good play.
Infield, 2-0. Any back, go to your easiest base.
Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for that.
I mean, that would be good because it would cool them off. They need to pay that.
That one guy. Hey,
Let's go, defense!
let's go, man.
Hold on, other side.
Where's that one? Good job, Landon. Over and back. Back. Air ball, go, Carter. Go. Land on your feet. Three. Go. Hold the ball. Hard turn. Good job. Sooner. Hey, here we go, Preston. 2 straight, 3 pitches. Be selected. We have 3 pitches, okay? Look for a spot. If I don't hit it, don't go. Baseball ready, boys! Hey, now, you got a guy behind you. You have to run. Hey, come on, get the ball. Come on, Hudson. Hey, go on the board. Deep, Hudson, get deep. Get low. Move down. Gotta run, Carter. Gotta run. Good job, Hudson. Hey, Carter, good hustle. Hey, Hudson. Hey, lock it up. Get on your knees. Lock it up. Watch it. I'll tell you what to do. Eyes on me. Go. That one, guys. Hold it. Touch it 3. Hey, hold that glove up, baby. Hey, hold that glove up.
Oh, stay hot there, kiddo.
Go, Bo. On the rope, you gotta run. You got him.
Hey, Pax, keep us going.
All right, you're scoring now, Hudson. 2 outs.
Go! Gotta get down!
Hey, good job. Good job, Hudson. Come on, Zay, keep us going.
Here we go, bud. Hey. Inside. Get that spot over the plate. Let's go! Today you're right center.
Yeah, same thing. Back to, hey, one thing I'm trying to tell you.
Hey, you stay low every pitch. Take it down.
Hey, okay, Jay. Run it, Barbara. Top left.
I went through.
Great play. He's off. Hey. That's all right, Fred.
Hey.
Hey, Maddox. Great play.
Hey, came off the back. Hey, good job, Briggs.
Got two. Isaiah, get it in quick. Hey, boy. Go. Swing. Doesn't look good. Don't swing. Go.
Run it, run it.
Play, Landon.
Hey, good job, Briggs. Good job, buddy.
Good job, Landon. Guy means nothing. Guy that means nothing. Get it out of first now.
Side, DJ.
Hey, infield, there is no push off. Hudson, go to one for me. Go, Jackson.
Get your bat off your shoulder.
Head up.
Now you gotta swing, bud.
All right, Jackson, drive it.
Hold it.
Hey, head away, Hudson. Good job, guys. Hudson, good job.
Hey, Holmes, got three. Nothing gets past you. Maddox, go where the ball takes you. Or send it back.
Run!
Oh, Derek, get back.
job, Garrett.
Go, Colston. Big hit, buddy.
He's on deck.
Great play. Hey, good job.
Suck it, man. Suck it, man. Get up.
Get off the ground. You guys hear me when
Good job, guys. Good job. Nothing hurt.
in the middle.
Hey, Braves, good throw.
Good job, guys.
Don't have a force. You gotta go to one man.
Come on, Rocket. We need you, Rocket.
Don't touch it out. Just let it be.
Nice, Rocket. All right. Straighten it out, bud. You got it on? Chad, right. You gonna go over there with Sophie?
Go win the battle, Rocket.
Stay in there.
Get it.
Good job, Garrett. Good job, baby. Good job, Garrett.
Oh, trust me, we have our own rock collection at home because this one like blew them off the recess, whatever she went to.
There you go.
Go back now. Slide over a little bit. KJ, move up. Two. Right there, Strider. Catch it. Catch it, buddy. Catch it. Okay.
Run hard, Maddox.
Good job. Go two.
Run, Maddox.
Get there, Maddie.
Stay there.
Stay, Maddox.
Stay there.
Stay, man.
Stay there. Nobody out, guys. Good hitter.
Hey, Landry, good swing here. Go.
Come on, Tigers! Come on, Tigers!
Catch the baseball, Shiny. There you go, Garrett. Get it in, KJ!
That's 5 rows. Carter, get the bat.
Good job, KJ! Bring it in!
Remember, you're leading off.
Hey, Carter.
I don't know. There was a couple. Allison's strikeout should have been a walk.
Let's go, Strider.
Good job, dude. Get out, Carter, get out. Maddox, great effort, buddy.
Good job,
Hey,
Carter.
Carter. Good try. Carter, Maddox. Paxton, Landon will be there for you.
I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I woke, I spent that on a necklace.
Oh, Breeder. There you go. Hey,
Hold on to it. Hey, hold on to it.
Hey, get in front, Maddox. Hey, way to stop it, Maddox.
Hey, Paxton! Paxton!
Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Let's go, Mason. You got it, bud. Good night, buddy. I'm going to try to end.
My bird.
Everybody, let's do it.
Good try, Mason.
Swing hard. Run fast. There you go. There you go, KJ. Nice.
Hey, KJ.
Sacrifice. That's what they do. One slice. Got the one slice. That's why. All my.
Oh, now you got a cosign. Right, KJ!
Let it go. Let it go. Sorry, Landon.
Let it go, Landon. Hey, let's get the next one, buddy.
Knock it down,
Hey,
guys.
boys,
That's
2
okay.
outs.
Good job.
Get 4, 7, 2.
Get it out now. 2 outs.
KJ, slide
Good job, KJ.
Let's go, Jackson. Come on, Jackson. Come on, Jackson. Give me one, Jackson.
Run hard, that is ball.
Leave it in the grass. Not bad, KJ. I think it was a foul. That's the thing you play. Good job, Jackson. Now you're ready. Straighten it out. All right, Jackson. Come on, Jackson. Now you're ready.
How do I go back to 6? Because we don't have that button. Good job, KJ.
Good job. Way to run, everybody. Good job. Let's go, Garrett. Come on, Garrett. Garrett. Come on, Garrett. No pop-up. Straight through.
Get into it. Jordan, be ready.
Back to the grass,
Hit it
Garrett.
hard somewhere.
2 outs. We got to run. Go,
Go!
go, go, go. All the way through, Garrett. All the way through.
Hey, he hit it. Good job, Briggs.
Hey, Briggs, break it away.
Man, that was a good play.
Hey, Bo. Say 99.
You ready, KJ?
Be ready.
Go, Bo. Go, Bo, let's go. Run, Bo. Head up, boy. Good job, Bo.
Good job, Bo. Good job. Stay there, Bo. Stay there.
Good job, buddy. Got a chest protector on. Now put the ball down.
Different colors of house cat. It's not all green.
Come on, Ty, you got it.
There's red house.
Isaiah, get that head as still as you can. Okay? You know what I mean? Run hard. Four. Let's go, Max. Let's go. Go. Good hustle. Hey, that's what I'm looking for with this line, buddy. Yeah, he's out. Hey. Hey, so try to wait a second.
Isaiah, good hustle, buddy.
Hi.
Okay, good, good, good.
Good job, Garrett.
Hey, come on, boy, cut it out. Sit on the cleat. You're not touching the other person. Let's go, beat it. Come on. Beat it. Wait, how long we run to the back? That's why you run, Kent. Good job. Good hustle, Kent.
Good job, Briggs.
Come on, Maddox. Here we go, Maddox. Take it down, bud. Good job.
Back him up.
Get him, Jackson.
Hey, Landon, here we go.
Jackson, you got to back him up, buddy.
Come on, Landon.
Play the hot, okay? One more. Go. Go further.
Good hit, boy. Good hit, Landon.
Hold him. Then put his hit spot. Let's go. Come on. Go, hustle. Hustle, you're up. Come on, bud. Go, boy.
Let's go, Cole, sir. Go, sir.
Hey, you take that Buford hand.
What's your number?
You gotta remember, they got one that plays over there.
502. 75. What's up, Mama? Go!
Come on, look at it. Go. Hey, way to be there, Landon.
Good job, guys. Better knock it down.
Good job, Maddox.
Nothing hurt. Take the out now.
Infield. Number 4 said shoot.
kid. Woo! Good swing. There you go.
Hey, be there, Zach, get in! Get him out. Oh, circle, run it.
Go ice big.
Here you go, pop up.
Give me that, Omar.
I'm not gonna win it.
Get your balance, Colton.
Let's go, Chad. Chad.
Hudson, bring us the brakes.
Chad, swing hard.
How about 500 feet?
Ready, Preston? Little left.
There you go.
Come again it. Go. Two. Maddox,
Run it in.
Go. Give me it up. There we go. Real good. Hey, outfield. Isaiah. Good job.
Good job, Isaiah, corner.
Wait, this is. Yeah, this could get that hit bomb. Nice try, you got it. Here it goes, Ryder. Give these kids.
You ready, Landon, the
These
break?
are weird songs.
Dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I woke, I spit that on the neck.
Hold it.
Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain.
Back up. Good job. Put the bat on the ball, buddy. Ready, Hudson. Here we go, bud. You ready, Isaiah? Got it, bud. Get into it, buddy. Ready. All right, straighten it out, buddy. You got it. Hey, just like that. Back. Hey, Landon, way to dive. Good job, Landon.
You know I'm fucking bad. Good man, I got this one.
Wow. Go.
Good job, bro.
Good job, guys.
Good job, KJ.
Nobody walk. Nobody walk. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey guys, defense will take your place. Come on.
3 out, 3 down. Let's go.
Outfield.
KJ, get ready.
Step up and get ready.
Here we go, Park. Start us off, bud.
Out in front. Hey, good catch. Hey, come on, out of first. Let's go, Chad.
It's in the car.
Hey, don't hesitate.
I don't care.
Get a good one now, Preston. Get a good one.
Here we go, Preston. Run it. Let's go. Run. Good job, Preston. Way to hustle. Preston, where you go, bud?
Come on, Hudson. Stay hot now. Stay hot, Hudson.
Let's get a hit. That's it. Scoot up, bud. Scoot up. There you go. A little bit more. A little bit more. Get low. There you go. Ready, Preston. Ready. Right. There we go. Oh! Get down. Go. Let's go. Get down. Go, Preston, go!
Stay there on the bag.
Don't even get upset. That was
That was a nice hit, Hudson.
I guarantee you.
One more. Tigers. Let's get the bell.
Good job, Strider.
You hit that ball well, man. Get it hard, buddy. Good, Carson. Give me, bud. Down. Run! Go!
We gotta get 3 out.
Ball now,
Stop
guys.
running on the next ball.
Come on, guys. Good defense.
Hey, way to be there, Briggs.
Way to be there, Briggs. Hey, Carson, be backing up right there, okay? Be backing up.
All right, buddy.
Jackson, line drive, Jackson.
No pop-ups.
Level.
All right, Jackson. Go, guys. Two.
Right there. Oh,
Right. Go to circle.
good job, buddy. No, nothing.
Guys, we played league ball, right? Circle. That's an old thing.
Oh, Garrett. Bring it inside, coach. Bring it inside. So good. There you go.
Round balls, we gotta go.
Brown, you gotta run.
Coach, come on, now get your balance.
Oh!
Get it in the second now.
Go, Rocky. Got it.
Hey, Rocky. Ah, that was a good squeeze.
Hey, wait a
Way to
minute.
fight it, Rocket.
Wait a minute. Let's go. Now you're ready. You got it, Rocket.
After the circle, we'll break right to the side.
That's just nice, Leslie.
Listen, do you hear me now? Stay on this side.
Garrett.
All right, you know you
Get
move
back,
it.
baby.
Keep that ball in front of you.
Good
All
eye.
right, Rocket.
Got it. Hey, be ready. Be ready.
I thought they could only be on the left side, so left hip. Way to fight it, Rocket. Way to fight it. Good job.
Ready, you got it.
Gotta swing the next one, too.
Let's go, Rocket.
What you know about rolling?
Nice pitch.
When you when these people choking.
Good job, Dad.
That's swing it hard, Chad. There you go. Come on, Tiger.
Send him! Send him!
Till I get my money right. I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven.
There you go, Brandon! Brandon! There you go, Brandon!
Thank you for love, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Harper!
Here we go. Find a hole somewhere. Right here.
Good cut. Good cut.
Good cut, Mason.
Yes! Fair, fair, fair!
That should be fair. That should be fair. You trying to catch it? If he caught it, it would have been an out, right?
That was inside the face!
Oh, Wolfman on that bush.
It hit him in the face!
Wolfman on the bush. He always on the bush.
We did this last week, too.
He's on the bush. He's all, he ready to go. Get something. Yeah. Do I have to hand it to you? I gotta hand it to you. Go, you know that umpire be on there for you.